In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Python to Google Sheets. To begin, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. You can do this from your Google Drive by selecting a blank spreadsheet or by opening an existing one if you prefer. Either way, it is best to start with a clean sheet so you can clearly see what the add-on changes and where new options appear. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the top menu bar, find and click Extensions. This menu is where Google Sheets lets you add extra tools that are not built in by default. These tools are called add-ons, and they can extend what your spreadsheet can do. Inside the Extensions menu, click Add-ons. This will open a small submenu with options related to installing and managing add-ons. From there, click Get Add-ons. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the official place to browse and install trusted add-ons for Google products like Sheets. When the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type Highlight. Take your time here because the Marketplace can return several results, and you want to select the correct tool. After you search, find the result named Python for Sheets trademark and click it. This opens the add-on page where you can review details about what it does. On the add-on page, click Python for Sheets trademark again to proceed with selecting it for installation. You may be prompted to review permissions as part of the installation process. When you see permission prompts, read them carefully so you understand what access is being requested. The goal is to allow the add-on to work with your spreadsheet so it can run Python-connected actions. After the add-on is installed, return to your spreadsheet. Go back to the Extensions menu area and look for the newly available option related to the add-on. Click Highlight as shown in the instructions to open and access the tool inside Google Sheets. At this point, the add-on is connected to your Google Sheet, and you are ready to start using Python for Sheets trademark from within your spreadsheet environment. That covers everything you need to know.